Welcome to Content Creation and Article Marketing. Fresh content builds trust, increases search engine listings, and boosts direct traffic when properly written and distributed. Here's our outline of contents. How article marketing can boost a site's performance. The value of quality content over quantity. Targeting ideal markets at the right time with your content. Niche and keyword research for your content development. What content is used for on the Internet, writing and editing content for web publishing. What to do with the content. Content is highly valuable online, proving to be the primary currency of most niches. It can be used on your website or for distribution to directories that will generate traffic. Blogs, article directories, social media profiles, video conversions. Fresh content holds more value to search engines than most other SEO tactics. Frequently updated content is vital for news and heavy competition niches. What is article marketing? Development of links and direct traffic from free content provided to directory sites. Articles of 250 to 750 words are written and submitted with anchor text that links back to your website. Directory sites receive free traffic from your content, and you, in turn, receive traffic and search engine backlinks. Article marketing can also lead to syndication from republishing by site owners. Content and search engine optimization. SEO relies on fresh, relevant content to increase and maintain listings in major search engines. Blogs and news sites must update at least 2 to 3 times per week to maintain listings. Google wants fresh content to show you are continuing to offer value to your readers. Websites with fresh content have 40% higher return rates than those with stale content. Quality content is king. Content is valuable, but more so when it is well written and provides information for the reader. Readers are hooked within 3 seconds of reading. Content needs to be engaging from the first sentence. Search engines can perform basic quality checks using latent semantic indexing. Low-quality content can be blacklisted or removed from listings. Backlinks and paid ads perform better with quality content. Quality content builds trust with readers looking for useful information. Where does the content go? Content is distributed throughout the Internet in many forms. Where you post it will determine its overall value. Blog postings, article marketing, free reports, social media postings, viral books and reports. Hitting the market at the right time. Timely and well-written content is valuable, but it must be published at the right time to optimize value. Blogs can be posted too little or too often. Social media links are more valuable during peak hours. Article marketing can peak and boost traffic on weekends or during special events. News and related media must be posted quickly to take advantage of the search spikes. The content creation process. Content isn't written overnight. It takes research, development, and editing to get it just right. Niche research, keyword research, outlining and content research, writing, editing, distribution, syndication. Niche research. Knowing your niche and what kind of content your readers want is step 1. Competition websites and articles provide insights into what readers expect. Niche research tools provide hot topics, keywords, and content suggestions. News sites, top blogs, and research tools are good for analyzing niche trends. Twitter and Facebook are highly useful for researching trends. Keyword research. Your keywords are the basis for a good article. How effective it is in boosting your search rankings starts here. Content rich in keywords boosts performance of content in search engines. Use Google AdWords, SpyFu, competitor sites, and WordTracker to create keyword lists. Cover a wide array of keywords from multiple aspects of the niche for optimal results. Outlining and researching. Knowing what will be in an article or report and then getting the right facts to include in it is vital. Have a clear idea of the topic and what content will be covered in an article or report. Accuracy is vital for building trust and ensuring return readership. Original content is important. Plagiarism or copied text can result in bans from article directories, search engines, and more. Understanding of the topics can help with further writing in the future. Writing. Slow, careful composition is important to ensure keywords are integrated well and that the content is both clear and concise. Style varies between different content goals. Blogs need to be informal, while articles should be impartial and full of information. Consistent voice and quality is important between multiple posts or articles. Time and focus is important for quality and content. Low quality can hurt in search rankings and in trust building. Editing. When content needs a fresh eye, editing will help boost quality and ensure valuable text. Have a second person review each piece for accuracy. Read content aloud to check for unwanted awkward sentences and grammar errors. Run content through spell checkers, Copyscape for originality, and grammar check. Read twice before publishing to maintain quality. Distribution. Knowing where to distribute, how often to distribute, and how to format articles for distribution will make or break an article marketing campaign. Article sites should have high page ranks with careful guidelines. Check that they allow you to post backlinks in HTML to your website. Check their republishing rules to ensure other users must repost your links. Distribute to multiple sites with different articles to diversify backlinks. Syndication. Traffic is boosted when content is distributed through multiple channels. Useful information, rich content will find more publishers due to its value. Minimize fluff and repeated text to entice readership. Promote your articles in social media platforms and on your blog. Getting the best quality content. Writing is a long and grueling process for many. Outsourcing can be an enticing option for anyone with the need for help. Popular outsourcing websites offer writers from around the globe. Elance, Guru, Freelancer.com, Odesk. Create a list of requirements for any writer you hire. Be very clear with guidelines and your requirements. Use escrow and edit all content before releasing payment. Cost-effectiveness of article marketing. A single well-written, information-rich article can generate up to 500 hits a month for months to come with almost no upfront investment. A standard 500-word article costs between $15 and $30, depending on the experience of the writer. One 500-word article can generate between 50 and 3,000 hits in 6 months, depending on the niche. Content that is well written can be used for multiple purposes on your blog or your social media profiles. Cost comparison with PPC and others. Pay-per-click advertising is effective but costly, while other tools seem inexpensive but can be time and resource consuming. Pay-per-click advertising averages 40 cents per click for quality keywords and placement. 50 targeted hits from PPC advertising cost $20. The same $20 can purchase one article that can generate the same, if not more, traffic. The key is quality. If the article is well written and can generate traffic for months to come, it is a more valuable investment. Content creation service is offered. Creation and distribution of original high-quality articles. 10 different online publishers used to maximize exposure across the web. Articles between 500 and 600 words. Keyword-rich and information-packed. Only trained quality writers are used to write content. Content creation service is offered. Each article will produce multiple backlinks to your website from across different article directories and publishers. 1 to 2 links included in each article with 10 to 15 backlinks per article. Content is checked and edited for quality and SEO effectiveness thoroughly before submission. Thank you for watching this video. Explore our in-depth video presentations on each one of our marketing services offered and get a price quote on your chosen marketing packages that are custom tailored to your business needs.